Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unmute message notifications from a specific friend on the Messenger app for PC. With various updates to the app, it's essential to know how to customize your notifications and ensure you never miss an important message from your closest friends. So, let's jump right into it. Step 1. Start by launching the Messenger app on your computer. This should be familiar territory for you, so open it up and get ready for the next step. Step 2. Now, find the chat of the person you want to unmute. You can either scroll through your chat list or use the search feature for a quicker way to locate them. Take a moment to ensure you're selecting the right friend. Step 3. Once you're in the chat window, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you'll see 3 dots. This little menu holds the key to customizing your notification preferences, so click on those dots. Step 4. In the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Unmute. Click on it, and just like that, you've successfully restored message notifications for that specific friend. And there you have it. You can now receive messages from your friend without missing a beat. Remember, customizing your notifications can help improve your chat experience, making it easier to stay connected with the people who matter most. Keep tuning in for more tips and tricks that make using Messenger even better.